Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a visual style guide for your brand in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is I'm going to show you how to start your creative design processes. The first thing I'll show you is how to start designing from scratch, which is to click on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. So once you click on that, you'll be able to start your design from scratch. So if you're a professional graphics designer, that option is just a go-to for you. And then the next option is to click on this mid left corner of your screen where you have templates. Now, once you go with this option, templates is going to take you to a world of templates. We're going to see variety of designs that are already set for the kind of design that you want. All you need to do is to tweak the template to get your desired design. So I like to say that when you work with templates, it kind of spurs your the creative genius in you, let's so to speak. All right, so just click on this template. This is the option we're going to use for this tutorial because it's pretty much easy. So this is the word of template, or this is the templates window. And right here, if you check the top corner, you're going to see search thousands of templates in the search bar. So right here in the search bar, we're going to be very sincere with Canva. Now, what do we want to do? We want to design a visual style guide, right? So this is what you're going to type in: visual style guide. So this visual style guide, all right, for your brand. So punch the enter button and it's going to take you to a wide array of existing templates that you can, leverage. So here you go. So here you have a lot of designs, like really amazing designs. But before you get too excited, I just want to bust your bubbles. Not all the designs are free. Yes, you see that some of the designs are labeled pro, meaning you have to subscribe to the pro version or premium version of Canva for you to access these designs that have the crowns in their head. But then we have another sweet option. Now, not all the designs are labeled pro, meaning you can also get a good template for free. So let's find an amazing visual style guide that we can use that is for free. Something creative and, heart tracking. So this is one. I like this, right? And it's free. So let's open that. So just click on that, and here you have customize this template. Click on customize this template, and it's going to take you to the editing suite. Ta-da! Here you go. So this is where you can manipulate elements to get exactly what you want. So like I said, this template just make it easier for you. So you can just follow the template and get what you want. So that's just what this is for. So templates literally make it easier. Now, the first thing I'd like to show you here in the manipulation of this element is the slider. So you have this bottom slider right here. Now, if you take it forward, it means you're zooming in. If you take it backwards, it means you're zooming out. So I want to, take it to a particular level where I can see all of the elements and, be able to design or change them accordingly. So I'm going to show you how you can tweak the text. So how you can change the text and of course change pictures, replace pictures, change colors. This is just basic things that you need. Once you know them, then trust me, you're good to go. So here is it. So this is this design right here. So we have this first one. So let's see how we can change the text. So click on the text, and this is like Bosel. So what exactly is in your mind? Like, what is the name of this brand? Let's say Amy Mac. So from here, I'm just going to double click. Double click means highlighting the entire text. And once you do that, you'll be able to type in your choice. So this is Amy Mac, and then it has this signature right here. I think this is like the brand logo or something. I'm going to leave it there, but then if you don't want it to be there, you can just click on delete and that goes out. So this is fashion brand. Would you like to make it a fashion brand or a culinary brand? Whatever you want to use, you can just change that. Just follow the same process. All right, double click and type in what you want, but I'm going to leave that there. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how to change text. So you can change this font. So this is the font and we're using the seasons. So click on this drop down menu icon that is here and you're going to see a wide array of fonts that you can choose from. So this is blackest text. Let's go with this to see if it's going to be fine. If it's not fine, then just go ahead and try out other options. So this is I like it. I like it. It's fashionable. It's fashionable. All right, and this is, so you can drag and drop any elements just like this. So I'm just dragging and dropping. All right, so I think that's already fine itself. So you can do that with any of the text in here. So that's cool, right? So the next thing is to change the colors. I want to change the color of this background because I don't want it to be brown. So this is brown and I'm going to click here to change this color to something else. So here you see I have changed this color and or I make it this. Okay, this is really nice. All right, so changing of color, we're good with that, right? I can change other colors in here. I don't know what all these colors are for, but I can change all of them to the color I used, and I chose that color for that. And I can also just click change, click change, just freestyle, and then the next thing I'm going to show you quickly is how to change pictures and of course like replace pictures and change their positions. So this is one picture. Now I can head over to my elements because I don't have anything related to fashion in my device folder or my systems folder. If I have anything related to that, then I can click on upload and that's going to take me to my systems folder. But right here I have something element. It means I can choose photos directly from Canva. Awesome, right? So let's say fashion. I'm just gonna put in fashion and see if they're gonna give me like options, clothes for fashion. I'm gonna take it to photos so I can see fashionable clothes. All right, you see the pro thing, it means you cannot use them because they're pro. And then this is one. So because I have clicked on this picture and I want to replace this, all I need to do is to click on the picture that I want to replace this with. So I click on that and you see it's here. So I'm going to delete that because that's not really what I want. So I'm just going to drag this and drop. Now dragging and dropping, I'm holding down the left corner of my mouse. So drag and drop, you see, that's cool. So you see the difference. If you click on it, it's just going to appear on the screen so rudely. So you just click on delete and that's up. So that's how you can change pictures. All right. And this is another picture. I want to change it. So I'm just going to drag and drop there. No way. Control Z. So drag and drop. So you have to do it very creatively, very perfectly. Okay, I can do that for there, but then I cannot do it for here. So it means there's a problem with that design. It means I have to like completely get rid of this and let's say bring this up here. Okay, I think it's not really a problem with the design, but like the aspect ratio itself. All right, so this is it. As you can see, this is already piecing up. So I'm just manipulating this. That's just what I'm doing. Awesome. Okay, so this has to fit into this box. So you have to be very meticulous in your designing so you can get where you're at. As you can see, there's no headroom for this lady. So I'm just going to give her some headroom. And what do I mean? So I'm just going to like double click and the entire picture shows up, and then I'm going to do the smart cropping thing. So drag and then that's the head. So the head is not completely cut out. So I really want this to, to align, and you can see that's perfect now. I like designing with my mouse, but that's external mouse. But if you don't have an external mouse, then you can just use the mouse on your keyboard. So that's the keypad. You can use that one. So here you go. I've changed that. So you can change the pictures as well. You can change all of these pictures, and like I said, you can also drag and drop to change the element, the positions of the pictures. And dragging and dropping means holding down the left corner of your mouse. Yes. If you want to undo, head over here to undo, or you just click Ctrl Z. Now you can explore all of these elements if you want to use them. And if you even click on any context or any text, you can click on more and you see other options that you can manipulate. So just freestyle and you get what you want. But this is really amazing. All right, so this is really an amazing visual style guide, all right, that I can use for my brand on Canva. Now, once you're done, don't forget to head over to the top right corner, click on the share button, then click on download. Download this really amazing piece of beauty and enjoy. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you.